Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, first of all I want to just say massive shout out to Klein and Super Rod. So they have an absolute massive campaign going at the moment. It's already started from the 1st of May, it's all the way through to the 31st of August. So in this campaign is absolutely massive, and I mean massive, prizes to be won. Coming from 2 people a trip to the US in Texas, all the way across to iPads, TVs. I'll put all the things below of what you can win, and I'll run through it again properly in a little bit. So what you need to do to enter, so you head over to your local CEF store or CEF online, doesn't matter. Buy yourself some Klein or Super Rod products. From that, you get your invoice, you go across to the website, you register for free, it's dead easy and simple. You then upload your invoice, your branch name and location, your contact deals, and then the link below, you put it all in for your redemption form, and that's you entered. But it's not just a one-time thing, you can do this continuously. So the more times you buy stuff, the more times you redeem the codes, the more times you can enter the competition. So it's well worth it for the chance to go to Texas, or £10,000 worth of tools, even a smartwatch, iPad, TV, all that sort of stuff combined. I'll put all the stuff below in the links. Also want to mention, and another video coming up soon, I'm going to run through the Klein backpack and some of the tools that are in it, but I will do this on site with Adam. In the meantime, if you want to head over to Mikey's channel, Residual Current, with his loadout shop, Mikey's done a great video actually running through the tools that are in this bag. So I'll put the link below and I'll pin it in the top comments as well. Go check it out, give it a thumbs up, and let's get on with the video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whenever you're watching it. Yo, welcome back. Nicholas, Adam's down there. Nicholas, that sounded professional, didn't it? Right, I'll take a seat. What we're doing is I'm at my, is it a grandmother-in-law? Is that right?
Grandma's?
My other half's grandma. Anyway, so she is 93, 92, something like that. Anyway, she has got early onset of sort of dementia and a bit unsteady on her feet. And the family are a bit concerned and whatnot, but she does live by herself. So we want to sort of keep an eye on her as best as possible, so she can keep her independence, live in her own house. So we spoke to her, we spoke to the family, and what we're doing is setting a few cameras up around the house, not to spy on her, but to make sure that in case she falls over or that sort of stuff, you know what it's like, you know, worrying for old people and make sure they're okay. So we've got is the Skullmore Click Smart Plus range, which is these ones, and we've got a few of the smart sensors, so smart door and window sensor. We've got a couple of them to go in. These are the sensors for the doors and the windows, cameras. So what we're doing is we've got a hub in here which connects straight to the internet. I've never done this before, so we can all learn together. So this is the hub that plugs into the router. What we're going to do is stick a camera next to the TV here. Adam's just clipping this up nice and neat to have aiming at the bottom of the stairs, and just up here is a shelf that'll aim at the top of the stairs. We're not going to put anything in bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, anywhere where she could fall over, where she couldn't get up. She's got one of the red buttons, but a lot of time I'm the same. If it's not on you or you forget it, I don't mean I have one, I mean I forget things all the time. Don't laugh at me. But we was trying to run it in the best way, in the neatest way possible. So what Adam's here is just clipping it, he's following the wallpaper up. I think it'd be more intrusive to try and stick it in trunking than to do it nice and neat, just a few little tacks, because it's a nice thin cable.
OCD.
And Adam's even measured it out, clip length and everything like that. So the smart cool little cameras, they bend in all different shapes and sizes and angles. They come with sticky pads so you can stick to the wall. These are really nice and neat. Look how cool and small that is. So the door sensor things is for in case she decides to go off on her jollies, really, with the front door or the gate. We're going to put the sensors on there, so if we know that no one's coming over or she's not going anywhere and the door sensor goes, to sort of make sure she's not walking off somewhere or there's people coming into the house that shouldn't be. So she's out for the next couple of days, hence why we're here doing this, setting it up. I've got my mother-in-law's phone to set it up, the app on there. So we've just downloaded the app, very simple. We're going to start pairing stuff across. I'm going to plug the router in now and see how that goes, see how easy everything is. But other than that, it seems fairly straightforward and quite easy. Do you think?
Yeah, they're easy.
Nice and neat, such light cameras. One thing I like as well is the USB bits here instead of on the bottom like you would normally see an iPhone charger block. I don't know why, I just think that's quite handy. So let me plug that in and run through how we're going to do this. Right, it's very high tech, I could screen record, but it's not on my phone. We've just plugged the hub in, which is down there, and unfortunately the power cable to it isn't very long, but we will sort that out somewhere or another. Plugged it into the back, add devices, okay, smart hub, set the device up. So we're just going to go through the steps. I'm not going to record this because this is probably giving people headaches me doing it on this, so I'll get it set up and then we'll start linking cameras up. Okay, I only put the camera down for 4 seconds. It's set the hub up now, so that's the hub created to the internet. It's giving it out its own Wi-Fi ABSUB device. So now, sensor power on, hold and reset for 5 seconds. Socket. Oh yeah, so you can get smart switches, smart sockets, and sensors and all that sort of stuff. But LED already blink. Ensure the device is pairing mode. LED is blinking. So we'll get Adam to plug a camera in. Wait for the device to start blinking, and then we'll click next. Right, so what I've just figured out as well, so we set the camera up, Adam's tacked it all nice and neat down here. You don't add the cameras through the hub. The cameras are on a separate, they're at the beginning, so the hub is for smart sockets, door sensors, all that sort of stuff. The camera's a different entity, so that's just linking up. Or as it came up with the QR code on the screen, you just hold it in front of the camera, it links up, fine. So that's just doing that. Adam's just jumped up here to do that one. Fairly easy installation, to be fair. The only issue I'm going to have is this door sensor, which is absolutely tiny, by the way. Especially if I want to fit that on here, you've obviously, sorry about the LED flicker. Oh, let me turn it off. Still need to set my camera up properly. There's obviously a recess, so the only thing I can do is try and find something to build up to stick this to. So it lines up, because it's like this all the way around, there's no way I can really do it, but the gate is flush, so it should be simple. So it's quite a nice little job really. I've never really done anything like this. I've had Nest cams in the past at my house, which were great, but they were very expensive. They use a lot of internet, and they're temperamental. Once the Wi-Fi flickered a bit, they shut off, they have to reset, so be interested to see what these are like there. They're nice and light as well. One there, one over there. Adam's doing that one. Go on here, so if we go and look at Adam on the landing. Oh, here we go. You can see his nostrils. Oh, sorry, I chose the wrong one to look at because he's currently sticking it down. Let's go to stairs, which is here. As you can see there. Oh, who's that good looking guy? Whoa, nice top. Nice merch, bro.
Yeah,
whoa. Sorry? Let me look at you. Hang on. Don't you be swearing, boy. So, oh, okay. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, that's perfect, mate. So in that picture, we've just got obviously the bedroom door, but also the stairs and the landing on there. So that's perfect. So that was dead easy set up. The only little thing that we had to change the Wi-Fi to 2.4 gigahertz, is that what it is? Yeah. Yes, down with the kids, know all the phrases now. Because the cameras don't want to run on 5. Don't know why, but obviously we've just split the Wi-Fi, so the TV and everything will be on the 5 and the cameras will be on the 2.4. Next thing is to go through the smart hub, and then we'll add the door sensors. We just stepped outside, got the locks on. That one I literally just bridged off with a bit of all-round band that was glued on, so it sits quite nice. So you've got gate, front door, landing, stairs, lounge, and smart hub. So Adam's got the gate open over there. So hang on, don't close it. So I click on the gate here. It says the sensor's open. I go back to the front door. Adam, can you open the door for me, please? Sorry, I know the lighting's terrible in here. When Adam opens that, go on, mate. It will come up. There we go. Front door's open. So yeah.
So it's closed as well.
No, it will. It doesn't activate to say it's shut, but yeah, it's a cool little system, isn't it? I'll keep you guys up to date with it, how we get on with it. But yeah, it's so simple to do, and they look nice as well. And obviously, once you click on the gates, it'll tell you that it's high battery. It's very simple to change the battery over. Same with the cameras. Obviously, it's just plugged in the wall, so there's nothing to do with that. So after, God, the sun's on my face, look very white. For anyone that's after a very simple, I mean, I hate complicated things. Adam had to look at the Wi-Fi so we can change it over to 2.4.
gigahertz. Yes. Cracking device, Click Smart Range. I'll put the link stuff below. I genuinely do recommend it. It was so simple, wasn't it? Neat and lightweight as well, and they look nice. Very pleasant. So yeah, there's time. There we go. Right, see you soon. Bye.
Bye.